REXON Transformer Oil Purifier Series ZYD, model ZYD30. This machine is the smallest model of our series ZYD Transformer Oil Filtration machine. It has a capacity of 1,800 liters per hour. Here, this is the nameplate of this machine. And we can see this machine, it has a PLC, fully automatic control system. And also, it takes the manual buttons. So it has two systems for the operating. And these are the digital pressure gauge and vacuum gauge. They have more correct indication and longer lifespan. And here the vacuum chamber, which is especially used to dehydrate and degas the transformer oil. It can completely remove the moisture and gas from the transformer oil. After that, the oil BDV value will be improved a lot to above 75 to 85 kV degree. And from this view, we can see it takes two vacuum pumps to produce the largest vacuum degree for this machine. Here is a vacuum pump. We use the Germany Atlas brand. And the rose pump, China famous Joseon brand. And at this point, we can see the foam eliminator. Its function is to help the machine to defoaming and control the oil bubbles automatically. Then users no need to control the air inlet valve to adjust the vacuum degree and to control the oil bubbles. So for users, it will be very convenient and much more simple to operate the machine. And here is the back side. We can see the filters for this machine. And the filter is automatic heating and stop, and it's constant heating. It's very energy saving and very safe. Okay, finally here are the three-stage filters: primary filter, secondary, and fine filters to remove the different size particles from the oil completely. And finally here, we take the Italian sign brand oil pump, which is a screw type oil pump. The screw oil pump, the biggest advantage is to make the machine work very quiet and will never cause any bad gas and bad air to the transformer oil, which will be more safe and better function and better oil quality for transformer oil treatment. Here is the oil outlet and oil inlet port here, which will connect with the oil pipes and oil hose with the transformer or oil tanks. And the users can take the sample here from the sampling valve. Okay, so this is our REXON Transformer Oil Purification machine and the Transformer Oil Filtration System. Welcome to contact us for any information if you are interested. Thanks for your watch.